Hey students, so in today's tutorial I am going to show you how to take a picture of your artwork and then how to upload it into an assignment in Google Classroom. So first thing, let's say all you have is your Chromebook and it's the most basic thing you can use. What we're going to do is we're going to go over here to where it says launcher. Some of you guys might have your camera down here. This is not a camera. This is what the teachers use to project their screens on that little dot camera. What you're going to do is you're going to come down here to this little circle down here where it says launcher, and we're going to find your camera. So mine pops up right here. What you'll do if you can't find it though is just put in camera, and then the icon comes up right there. All right. So now we have our camera. What you want to do is a couple things. Make sure that your room is not too dark. So if it's super dark, you need to find someplace else to go. I'm a little washed out right now, so you may need to move yourself to a different location where it's not too dark, not too light. You want it to be just right. You're going to go ahead and hold up whatever you need. Mine's backwards, and I'll show you how to fix that in a second. And then over here, you just click the button and take photo. If you don't like it, I want to make mine just so it's just my work. I'm going to get as close as I can. And again, pretend this is an actual assignment and hit take photo. All right, I can find it down here. So I'm gonna go ahead and click this. The exposure looks good. It's not too dark, not too light. If it was, ignore these is for another class. If it was too dark, too light, I could go over to here where it says edit. There's a bunch of different things you can do like auto fix. You can make your photo brighter or darker if it's too bright. You could crop it if I want to get rid of myself, which I kind of do right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And enter. Great. And I'm going to rename it so I can find it easily on my computer. So Torres assignment photo. I would say rename it to whatever you need it to be. So I've renamed my file. It's there. I'm going to close this out. Now I'm going to go back out to the assignment. So I'm going to click Add or Create. This time it's probably not going to be on my drive, so I'm going to go to File because I took the photo on my computer as opposed to taking it through a Google Doc of some kind or in my drive. So go to File. We're going to go to Upload. Go to Browse because remember it's not on our drive. Let's try Reset. There we go. It's right there. I'm going to go ahead and click this. And open. So it's loading in there right now. It's loaded in. And as soon as I know that's all I need to do, all I have to do is go to turn in. Hey guys, so option 2 for uploading a photo to an assignment is to use your phone. So what you want to do is, again, make sure you have good lighting. Like my light right now looks good overall. And then go ahead and do what you would normally do, which is get above it so you can get the whole thing in the frame. I know you can't really tell on my phone. And go ahead and take your picture. And then just create a message. So go back into your messages and hit new message. And then type in your school email address. So for me, it'd be troses@santaritaschools.org. Obviously, you would use yours. And then just go ahead and add it as an attachment, just like that.